Hello everyone, so today I'm going to show you how you will put your Anker Soundcore Q11 headphones in pairing mode. So it's similar to just powering them on. So in order to power them on, you're going to find this button right here and you've got to hold it down, all right? So I'm going to go ahead and do that. There you go. So this indicates that it is now turned on and is also in pairing mode, all right? So now if you want to connect it to, let's say, your mobile device or anything else, it is now in pairing mode. You're going to go to the Bluetooth settings, you're going to turn it on, and you're going to find the name of this headphone, which is Soundcore Q11i. Once you see that, you can successfully connect and it will start working. It's really that simple and straightforward. There is no different button for, like, pairing mode like other headphones tend to have. It's just simple, straightforward. Just hold the power button right here. It's going to turn on and it's going to put itself in pairing mode. If you already have it paired with some device, it's going to automatically connect as soon as you turn it on like that. So yeah, pretty neat and useful. And yeah.